Hey folks, it's Mark again from Inbound Revenue. You can check us out at inboundrevenue.com. We're a complete white label Google Ads service for your agency. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about the subject of branded campaigns for your clients. So this is a little controversial because a branded campaign, first let me define what that is. A branded campaign is when you set up a campaign to bid on your own brand name in the search engine results so that when someone searches for your brand, it pops up first. The battle that you have a lot of times with clients in this case is that they say, well, I'm already number one for my brand in the natural search results or the organic search results, so why would I want to be there twice? Well, there's a reason you want to be there twice. First of all, you're going to own twice as much space at the top of the page, maybe 3 times as much, because you might be in the Google Maps, you might be in the organic listings, and you're also going to have an ad. The second reason is these clicks are super cheap. There's not many people competing for your brand name unless you're Nike or Reebok or something. So your local service business does not have a lot of competition. So it's a good way to show up and own more of the first page of Google. And we all know if you're not on the first page of Google, you might as well not exist. The other reason that you want to do this is because other people may very well be bidding on your brand. So your local competitors can bid on your brand name. And if they bid on your brand name, their ad's going to show up there at the top, above your organic listing, above your map listing. So that's another good reason. And the final good reason that you might want to do this is people don't spell things correctly. So maybe you use a variety of spellings, a phrase match or something, so you catch every instance of someone using your brand name. There's a close corollary to brand names that's called competitors campaigns. I'm going to cover that in my next video. Thanks for checking us out.